Hey guy, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So this is Candy Up channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually make money with us by copying our premium crypto signal. You are going to be copying our premium crypto signal for free without paying a dime. So if you want to copy our premium crypto signal, so you can sign up using Bybit. You can see that I'm on Bybit crypto trading signal terminal. You can see it. So you can join us by creating an account with Bybit. So when you get an account with Bybit, you do your KYC. I've already created video on this. So you do your KYC and you send me a DM. So after creating your account on Bybit, send me you deposit. You can make a deposit. So because without making a deposit, you will not be able to make money with us. So you make a deposit using this Bybit. So if you want to make a deposit, just click on deposit here. So when you click on deposit, click on deposit here. So you can deposit using the crypto to crypto let address, or you can deposit using your local currency. So after click on crypto, after click on deposit, it will take you to the payment method. You can see that it is loading. So you can either deposit using Nigeria currency. You can see, but if you have a crypto, you can deposit USDT, any amount that you have, maybe from $50. But I recommend you deposit more than that so that you can make enough. You can make a decent profit. So if you want to make a decent profit, deposit at least $100. Deposit $100. So you can deposit from another wallet to Bybit. So or you go to P2P, or you can click on P2P to transfer your Naira into this account. You can transfer your Naira into this account through P. So it will be converted to USDT for you. So make sure you create an account. So I'm going to record a video on how to start trading, copy our trade